Okay, hello everyone. Hi, how are you? It's Kei. This is the 23rd of November on Wednesday. So I hope you're having a great day today. And let's review some charts together and see what's happening in the markets. Looks like there are some GBP pairs trending today. So let's review first the pound pairs and then other pairs and the markets and see what's happening right now today. Okay, so let me switch screen and start the live stream right now. Let me see. Okay, alright, so two quick announcements. One is I have a new Facebook account and Instagram account. So if you have one of these accounts, please follow me. You can find the link to follow me on the below description. So please click on the description and feel free to follow me. And I don't do Telegram and TikTok. So in case you see me, one of these accounts, these all fake. So please be careful. Alright, and also second announcement is that the KTS Academy will be launched on next Monday, the 28th, and I will give you more information this week. I'm thinking to record a video and share what exactly this is, so you will see the announcement soon. But just for the heads up, today, I just wanted to mention that. Alright, so let me see who's here. Alright, thanks for joining everyone. Master of. So yeah, good to see you. Sarosh, TR, Ashley, thanks for joining. Yeah, GBP pairs are trending right now. Right. Yep. Winheart, good to see you. Rain, Sammy, Fola, TikTok, Augustine, and Saravanan. Manhoman, thanks for joining. Also, great to see you. Yeah, thanks for joining. Thanks for coming in today. Okay, so now let me switch to trading view and see what is happening right now. So here is the GBPCAD. So pound CAD has been up today. I'm actually trading pound CAD. I took the buy here on 1.5988 and still keep holding. I set the break even and I have one of the stop losses on 1.6015 and fix 27 pips of profit and still holding the trades. But since 4 hour may retrace and 1 hour also may retrace, I may have to exit quickly. But yeah, so I will continue to monitor this one until I exit today. But in the meantime, I will check some of the charts. So yeah, and pound JPY. Pound JPY is still bullish in the 4 hour. The momentum is bullish, but direction is flat. So that means the market may retrace back to Tenkan-sen or Kijun-sen. So if you didn't take trades on this one, you need to wait for the breakout of the resistance level on 168.99 or the round number of 169 and wait for that breakout and look for the buying opportunity. Hold on, let me just switch this one to two screens. On the left, let me monitor pound CAD because I may have to exit on this one. And on the right side, let me check some other markets. So yeah, so it looks like we have lots of trends in the 4 hour based on Ichimoku today. So pound USD is ranging. It's Kumo's flat, Kijun-sen flat. So pound USD, I didn't take it. And pound JPY, I was seeing that one also, but due to 1 hour condition, I didn't take. 1 hour, I mean, when I was watching the chart, I the breakout on M5 wasn't valid, so that's why I didn't take the pound JPY. And pound CAD, this was nicely up in a 4 hour and 1 hour, that's why I took this one. And pound AUD also broke the resistance nicely and it's continuously bullish. Pound AUD might be also good. Let me check the 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour shows it's okay, flat Kijun Sen and the Kumo, so the market may reverse. So this may not be a perfect timing to enter trade on pound AUD. So, and let me see some other markets now. Pound Swiss franc. Pound Swiss franc is on the resistance on the 4 hour. So the market may reverse. You know, you always have to check the resistance whether it's close or not. If the resistance is close, then you may want to wait for the breakout and look for the buying edge. Otherwise, it retraces like this way. So, and also Euro Pound. Euro Pound is bearish and it broke the support level once, but then right now it's coming to flat in terms of Ichimoku. Because Kumo flat and Kijun Sen flat and Tenkan Sen flat. So that means the market may reverse back to one of these levels. So Euro Pound is not the perfect timing to look for the selling edge, but if it keeps breaking low, I think there's a chance. Kumo is nice. Kumo Euro Pound 4 hour looks thick and long, so I think this downtrend will be continuous. In daily time frame shows it's a bit ranging now. So in terms of the daily time frame, we don't really know which way the market goes. But 4 hour is towards bearish and 1 hour is also bearish, I think. Yeah, 1 hour shows it's bearish, Chikou span about to break. So yeah, I would wait for the breakout of 0.8624 and simply look for the selling edge afterwards. So if this happens, if the breakout of 0.8624 happens on Euro Pound, we will come back and discuss on the entry. Yeah, so let's see what else we can find. Okay, alright, I see many comments. Thank you for joining everyone, great to see you. Okay, let's see, Saravan says XAU USD. Alright, let me check. XAU. Alright, so here is the one. This is still ranging, so no trade. If you check the daily time frame, still it's in between Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen, and Kijun Sen is flat, so this is range. So we still need to stay away. It may, like I mentioned last live stream, it may bounce on the previous resistances near 1733.6 level. So there's a chance that the market might go up this way, but once it breaks, then I think it goes down to Kumo or Kijun Sen. But at this moment, we can't really tell which way it goes, so we have to stay away. 4 hour shows it's in the Kumo, so yeah. That's why the lower time frames are very choppy. Whenever you see the markets in the Kumo on a daily or the 4 hour or the weekly time frames, the lower time frames tend to be choppy and spiky and tricky, and the spread may get wider. So we had the big spike today, just 1 hour ago due to the news in the US, but still it's ranging, so no trade. If you want to buy, at least you want to wait for the Kumo breakout in 1 hour. Kumo breakout in the 1 hour, and ideally you want to wait for the Chikou span to be above the candles and look for the buying opportunities. Otherwise, it keeps ranging, then you may not be able to make profits on this market. Okay, thanks for joining everyone. Good to see you. Okay, Manish, thank you for the comment. Thanks so much. I appreciate your comment and everybody's support. I really appreciate your support and participations on my live streams. So yeah, let me check some other markets now. WTI is bearish today. In terms of the daily time frame, it's also bearish. So I think WTI continues to go down is my view. It may break the support. Of course, if when it breaks support of 75.27, the market will go down continuously, I think. But the market is bearish because it already broke the neckline of double top on the daily time frame. So there's a good chance that the market goes down this way, I think. Yeah. So WTI looks bearish to me. Yeah, in the meantime, I'm monitoring the pound CAD because I'm holding the trade and I'm looking for an exit timing because now it's retracing back. I took the buy at 10:55 a.m. today on 1.5988 and still keep holding the trade and still trading profits along the way. Okay, yeah, thank you so much everyone for joining. Yeah, David, yes, I'm feeling better now. I'm feeling much better now. Thanks so much. At least I don't have pain. I have less pain on my face, so it's okay. I think it's coming along. Yeah, thanks so much. But last week was nightmare. I couldn't sleep because of the pain on my face, and it was really painful and yeah, really tiring. Yeah, sleeping is really important. You know, if you can't sleep well, then you don't feel good in the daytime. So at least I don't have any pain. Still less pain, but I don't feel big pain anymore in the face, and looks like it's not spreading anymore. So I think it's all good. Yeah, Alfonso also. Yeah, thank you for the comment. Yes. So I think it's okay. I think this problem is uptrend. Still down, still below Kumo, so it's like I think that just like a WTI, my face problem, but hopefully it breaks Kumo and goes uptrend, and yeah, back to normal. Yeah, since I don't have pain anymore, I think it's in the Kumo. I would say it's in the Kumo and about to break is my feeling. Yeah, I think I will be the first one who talked about my health condition based on Ichimoku. Yeah, thanks so much everyone for joining. Okay. Oh, sorry. Chico Deli, welcome to the live stream, and everyone, welcome. Yes, CAD USD. Let me see, CAD USD. I don't think I mentioned this one. Yeah, CAD USD is in the Kumo now, and it's ranging. So since daily is in the Kumo, we need to stay away. We can't really trade on this one. Let me see, 4 hour is ranging also. Chikou span touching, Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat. The market just broke the Kumo, but this Kumo breakout is weak. So I think the market continues to be range. So we have to stay away from this one. So not the CAD USD or USD CAD. It's ranging now. Holman says, I bought pound JPY, but closed with a break even. Okay. Yeah, pound JPY is now retracing, right? Here's a 4 hour. 4 hour is still up, but 1 hour is ranging now, and 5 minute is now retracing. Looks like pound pairs are all retracing now on the M5. Okay, so pound JPY is not in the good condition. I mean, this is no more uptrend because it breaks, I think it will break the support level of 168.63. If it happens, then that will be double top and the neckline breakout. Also previous resistances breakout. So the market may continue to go down this way when it happens. So if you're still holding the trade, you need to exit. Especially when it breaks, you need to exit. And if you have no positions, then you need to stay away. So again, I'm holding pound CAD. I took the buy on 1.5988 at 10:55 AM UTC today, and now it's retracing back, so I'm about to exit. That's why I'm monitoring on the left side continuously. So we will see. Let me check the strength chart now and see how they behave. Strength chart shows that yeah, pound is reversing back and AUD is also going back. USD is going down, New Zealand is going up. So looks like we are in a retracement, a retracing market. Looks like New York Open started with a retracement on the Forex markets. Okay, Manish says, simply we must enter when Cloud Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen goes on the rise for buy and down for sell, and the lines go rise and down when 26 candles high and low break right. But most times the market reverses. Yeah, that's right, that's right. That's when you look for an entry timing. I mean, just because Kumo's up and Kijun-sen up, never enter trade. You still have to look for the entry edge, entry timing, because the market may reverse, as you mentioned. The market can reverse anytime. No matter how many confirmations you find, how big a trend looks like, how stable the trend looks like, the market can reverse anytime. Because nothing is 100%, Ichimoku is not 100% in that sense. So, but at least we can take a 60 to 40 win rate or 70 to 30 win rate, and then you should be fine in the long term. Okay. Oh, pound CAD entry timing and stop loss. Yeah, so pound CAD, I took the trade at 10:55 UTC AM today at 1.5988 level. I took the trade here, exactly on this candlestick. I saw the gold cross stochastics and Bollinger Bands, band walking, inside a breakout. I see a nice N wave breakout in the 5 minute, and that's why I decided to take the trade here. Yeah, so usually I take 2 positions, and one of the stop losses I still put it at the break even, and the second stop loss I take it below the most recent pushback on M5, which is 1.6014. I'm still keeping that stop loss here. So now the market is reversing back. I'm looking for an exit timing. Let's see. I think I will exit very soon. Let me discuss on this exit timing. Okay, so let me use the Fibonacci level also and see how far it's retracing back now. Okay, so it's actually gone back to 50 level of Fibonacci. So I will exit when the market breaks 61.8%. Yeah, in this case I will exit there and fix profit on my 2 trades. And still I make profit of 50 pips or so, 51 pips in this trade. So that will be the plan. But from here it may go up. It may continue to go up without breaking the 61.8%. It may keep going up this way. In that case I don't exit, I just keep holding. But if it breaks it, I will exit. So that will be the plan. So let me continue to monitor until the end of live today because it may break. Let me see the 1 minute time frame just in case. 1 minute shows it's been downtrending and right now there is an inside bar. Okay. So 1 minute shows inside, so when the market breaks here, I think I really have to exit. Yeah, so that will be the plan for my exit timing. Okay. Let me see. Okay, Mars says, can you please explain the logic as to why you didn't wait for the hourly candle to close above the daily resistance when you took the pound CAD entry? Simply, I found the right entry edge on the 5 minute, and that's why I didn't wait for the daily resistance breakout. I mean, I don't think there was a resistance breakout. Hold on, let me check. 1 hour. I think daily resistance was all the way here, and daily resistance I think was here, 1.6185. So I don't have to wait for that breakout to happen. But simply I found the daily 4 hour also bullish and 1 hour also bullish, and that's why I took the trade. So when I take trades, I don't really care so much about the daily resistance. Unless we have 3 touches, 4 touches, I don't really care. Simply I enter trade before the breakout happens and expect the market breaks is my style. So I don't really wait for the breakout as always. Yeah, because when it breaks the resistance, then the market goes very fast, and it's time efficient to run profits in that way. So that's why. Okay, John says pound USD is looking strong. Just wait for the continuation. Currently Kijun Sen flat in the 1 hour. Okay, so pound USD. Let me see. Pound USD is okay. It's going up to the resistance now. 4 hour shows it's also a bit ranging now, I think. I like the chart pattern though. I like the chart pattern. This is double bottom neckline breakout is happening, and this looks like inversed head and the shoulders. So if the market breaks the resistance of 1.2028, I think that will be a good chance to buy. So I will put up arrow above the resistance so that you know the breakout will be the right timing to got into the trade. So let me come back to pound CAD 5 minute as I may exit very soon. Okay, so now we have the doji, big doji candlestick. So I wait until the market breaks the doji. Okay, this is very interesting because I wait for the doji break. So doji means the very small body and long wick up and down. And simply waiting for the doji break to happen towards either direction. If the doji break happens bullish, then most likely the market goes up. And if the doji breaks happens bearish, it may continue to go down to my stop loss. So when this happens, I will exit for sure. So this is on M5, 5 minute candlestick. When it breaks bullish, then this is called a spinning bar, right? Spinning bar, as someone mentioned on my live stream the other day. But doji has two meanings. One is the trend reverse, and the other is the trend continuation. We will never know until we see the breakout towards either direction. So we will see. Okay, Manish says RSI setting 60 to 40 and above 60 the market is bullish, below 40 bearish, and between 60 to 40 range market matches with Ichimoku. Okay, if it works, then you can keep using. I don't use RSI. I prefer MACD. I prefer stochastics to use. So I don't really use the RSI for myself. But yeah, if it works, just keep using, keep sticking to it, and never change. Okay. Philbert says, do you think pound CAD can reach 1.61 to 1.62? I think it's possible. I think 1.6, hold on, let me check the previous resistance. I think it goes up to 1.61 or 618 will be my initial target for now. Because there's a resistance from this May 2026. So yeah, it may go up to that level. Yeah. So daily time frame is still bullish. So today, tomorrow may still be bullish. But we only see retracing market in the M5. M5 retracing, but the daily is still bullish, so the market may go bullish continuously. So we will see. Okay, so yes says, I have a question regarding your entry on pound CAD. I entered after the squeeze and breakout at 1.6034. 6034 will be around here, right? Oh, after squeeze, it'll be around here, okay. Why didn't you wait for the squeeze before entering the trade? Thanks a lot for your help, Kay. Oh, you're welcome. So I don't always wait for the squeeze before I enter trades. Whether it's squeezing or expanding, I take on both confirmations. I think you get the right time to buy here though. You waited for the squeeze and gold crossing stochastics, and you see a nice end wave. So I think that was a good timing around here, 1.6034, and I think you can still keep holding the trade. Yeah. So for me, I took the trade here when it was band walking towards the major direction. And I think trading is all about the timings. I took the trade here. I happened to take the trade here at 10:55 today because I was out today, came back, and I had the lunch and checked charts, and I happened to be here. So when I was here, for example, when I was here, I didn't take a trade. But I happened to be at here and find the confirmations, so I took the trade simply. So it's all about the, how do you say, taking the chance, taking the opportunities that you can see in the markets. So simply, if you don't see opportunities, simply stay away. If you do see opportunities, then take trades, is I think the basic rule. And never monitor charts all day. Oh, also managed to lock 29 pips in profit. Okay, that's good. That's good. So if you're still holding, then it's okay. You can just keep holding on this one. Looks like doji break happens bullish. So as a result, this is becoming a spinning bar. But let's wait for the close. It takes another 3 minutes for this one to close. If it closes below, I mean within the doji, then the market may continue to be range. But if it breaks above the doji, then it may go up continuously. So here is patience becomes really important. I don't simply exit just because it's going reversing. I look at the candles, all the candles move, and whether I exit or not, I enter or not, and keep holding or not. So it's all about the price actions basically. I don't really pay attention to the stochastics or Bollinger Bands in this case. I only look at the price actions to decide what to do. I do show Bollinger Bands, stochastics, but please don't look at them. Yeah. You know, sometimes you may think that there's a dead cross on stochastics, and you may think that the market goes down, but sometimes becomes fake, and the market goes up continuously. Okay. Oh, Mars, you mean the daily inside bar breakout? Let's see, daily inside bar breakout. You mean, oh, this one, okay. So, yeah, I didn't wait for the close because I took the 4 hour to follow in this market, in this trade. So daily candlestick is still not closed yet, but I took the 4 hour candlestick and saw the breakout and took the buy. Also, I was seeing that there was ascending P wave in the 4 hour. You see the lows getting higher and higher stably, but highs are almost at the same level. So this is ascending P wave, and in this particular case, I didn't wait for the close. But rather I expected the market breaks, close is above the resistance, and continuously goes up in this way. Do you use buy stop? No, I don't. I don't use buy stop. All my trades are done manually, so I prefer to enter trades, enter manually, and exit manually. Okay, so looks like the market, the candlestick did not close above the doji. So this is why we have to wait for the close. Yeah, so it may break bearish or bullish. We can't tell which way for now, so I will continue to monitor until it breaks either direction to see if I keep holding or exit my positions. Miro-san, sure. 1 minute entry timing was looking like this. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, so 1 minute was looking like this also. So this was exactly where I took the trade, 10:55, and it was looking like this in 1 minute. So 1 minute was showing there was a consecutive N waves and a nice doji reverse, doji pin bar reverse, and then it went up gradually. So this was my entry timing. And then after my entry, the market just broke very quickly. And then it never came back to my positions, but it just kept going up this way. So that's the 1 minute. Okay, John says, in what time do you usually take trades? I don't really set exactly which time I take trades. Simply whenever I see opportunities I take, so there is no rules in terms of when to take trades, which time to take trades in a day. Because I check charts randomly 3 times to 5 times per day, and whenever I see opportunities I take. So, but it's my style. Sometimes, people like to check charts before UK start, before New York start, or towards the end of each sessions. But I don't really care so much. Milo says, Mr. K, do you still take a trade even when the Kumo in 31 hour is a bit thin? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. But it depends on the candlesticks in higher time frame conditions. If higher time frame also thin, then I don't take that. Okay, William says, very well put, truly valuable advice regarding the chart to never monitor them all day. That's right, because that was my mistake. I used to keep watching chart all day, every day, and I get so tired, and towards the end of the month, what's worse was I was losing. If I was winning, I think it was okay, but I was losing, sometimes break even, so I stopped doing it. I had no private life by doing that. Okay, pound USD breakout in a 5 minute, okay. Ditendra says, do you always have to exit our up positions once it's below Tenkan-sen in the daily time frame? Not always, not always. Even if it's below Tenkan-sen, it's okay. But if it breaks Kijun-sen, then you really have to look for exit timing, because I think the retracement is too deep in that case. Okay, yeah, let me quickly check some other charts. So I keep monitoring this one on the left side because it may break bullish still. On the right side, let me check other charts. So let me check some indices. Dow Jones on a daily, okay, still bullish. It's going up to the target 34557, continuously bullish today. And S&P is ranging in the Kumo, so I said we need to stay away from this one. And S&P broke the Kumo and about to break the resistance. So I think this one is also bullish. A Nifty chart, right? Nifty is this is a bit tricky market right now, but this is bullish continuously. I would say that this is bullish. The market may break the resistance. Yeah, Kumo shape is nice. Kumo shape is getting thicker and longer, so long term is bullish. And I think the price is on the Tenkan-sen now. So just to be safer, if you want to wait for the resistance break to buy, I think it's okay also. But I think it will break, it will reach the resistance. And Bank Nifty is going up continuously. Okay, so as I mentioned before, this one is bullish, continuously bullish, and I think it goes up to the next round number, which is 43,000. Yeah, Bank Nifty is bullish. Okay. Buy crude oil. All right. Crude oil looks like it's downtrending. So if you want to buy, this is still not the best timing. Yeah, WTI may break the support, 75.27. There may be sell entry and Euro NZD 4 hour gonna break support. Okay. Yeah, personally I don't trade NZD pairs, but if you see that downtrend, you can follow. Yeah, NZD is bullish, Euro is bearish, so Euro NZD is downtrending now. Yeah. Okay. Fola says, can you check Euro Pound? Alright, Euro Pound, I was actually watching that also, Euro Pound today, because it's bearish in the 4 hour. Daily is flat, but 4 hour is bearish. Oh, looks like it just broke the support. Okay. So Euro Pound, let me mark this one. It broke the support. Kumo looks also good. Not too thin, so I think downtrend is continuous. And 1 hour shows it's okay, not the 1 hour, because 1 hour Kumo is too small, too thin. So that means this time it may be supported in reverse. So in this case, I prefer to wait for this candlestick close in 1 hour, which happens in about 17 minutes. If it closes below the support of 0.8624, then I think you can look for the sell chance, but if it closes above the support, you have to hold. And it may close above the resistance, above the support in this case. So yeah, this is where the Kumo shape becomes really important. This Kumo is like very thin like needle, and you can't trust it. You can't trust this downtrend yet. Okay, so yeah, but Euro Pound I was watching today and waiting for the confirmation also, but couldn't confirm. M30 shows it's bearish, but since 1 hour condition, I would prefer to wait for the close. Yeah, let's see what else we have. Milos, you're welcome. Okay, he asks, so would it be correct to say that it's safe to take a trade with a thin Kumo in 30 in 1 hour as long as 4 hour daily has good Kumo? Yes, you can say that. You can say that, but not this kind of a Kumo. This is way too thin. So in this case, I don't take trade. I wait for the breakout and look for opportunities. Okay, John says, I took a paper trade on Pound USD. Okay, Kijun Sen 1 hour trending. Okay, let me check the Pound USD. Okay, so first, the day time frame shows it's flat Kijun Sen, and this is close to the resistance, so it may reverse. It may reverse anytime. I think that's my first impression. So I don't usually take trades in this case, but if you took the trade in 1 hour, then I think it's good. You can keep holding until it reaches to 1.2029, and you can keep holding your trade up to there. Yeah, otherwise, and once the market reaches to here, because of the daily situation, the market may reverse back very soon. Yeah, it just that a daily time frame shows this is not uptrending, so I prefer not to touch. 4 hour is also a bit small Kumo, so the market may reverse is my impression. Okay, so in the meantime, it looks like pound CAD is going up now. It broke the doji engulfing bullish this way, so I keep holding the trade in this case. And there will be no big news today, so yeah. Oh, sorry, there was FOMC today. So FOMC minutes is here today. So, but since I'm running some good, nice profits, I keep holding the trade in this case. Okay. Yeah, Dean, you're welcome. Can we draw a forecast line on Euro-Pound daily time frame? Yeah, Euro-Pound, the daily time frame, the forecast lines. Let me see. In this case, no, you can't, because this is ranging now. The forecast lines work the best when it's retracing. So if the market was retracing like this, it worked well, but now it's ranging, so you can't use the forecast lines. The forecast lines will work the best, again, when it's retracing back. So for example here, the market was downtrending and then started to go up this way. So this is where the forecast lines will work the best, but not right now. Alright, 1964, thank you for joining. Okay, in profits, that's good. That's good. Yeah, make sure you don't lose is a key to success. Okay, so pound CAD, let me also check the pound CAD now. Okay, so now it's going up, but I think the 4 hour still flat Kumo, flat Kijun Sen, flat Tenkan Sen, so the market may reverse before breaking the resistance. So in this case, I prefer to secure some profits, so I would move one of the stop losses below that doji, and the second stop loss to move it to here, to the second previous pushback. So in this case, in this way, I fixed one of the positions with 47 pips and another with 27 pips. So let me go ahead and do that right now. I manage my position by mobile, so let me just go ahead and do that right now. Let me see. So it looks like pound pairs are active in the month of November. Multiple trends happening. Okay, so let's see. Pound CAD. So one of the stop losses on 1.60144. Okay, 1.60144. 60144. And another position stop loss to 1.60349. 1.60349. Okay, it's done. Okay, so this is a way to become a non-losing trader, really, because if you move the stop loss above the positions, then you never lose. No matter what happens in the markets in the next 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you won't lose in this way. So psychologically, it's really safe. Okay. Okay, it's done now. Okay, perfect. Okay, John says, I already moved the stop loss to break even. Okay, that's good. That stop loss, move the stop loss. Okay, that's good, that's good. Make sure you don't lose big along the way. I think pound CAD breaks the resistance. It's getting close, so we will see. Okay. Oh, Japan's winning against Germany. Oh, really? Okay, okay. I'm not a big fan of soccer, or the football, so I don't really watch, I don't really follow, but yeah, good luck. Good luck, Japan team. Yeah. Okay, CAD Swiss franc. Let me see. CAD Swiss franc. I don't think I checked this one before. Oops, so hold on. Let me split the window. I prefer to monitor this one closely because I'm holding the position still. Okay, and CAD Swiss franc. Okay, daily is about to break the support. Okay, this is also interesting market. About to break the support. And okay, looks like this is going bearish now. Okay, let me check the 4 hour. 4 hour is on the support. Okay, so I prefer to wait for the 4 hour breakout to look for the selling opportunities. This is a descending triangle, descending P wave. So the market may go up to the trend line and goes down. This may happen too. So yeah, or simply breaks, retest, and down this way. So either way, I wait for the breakout based on the 4 hour time frame on this one. So CAD Swiss franc, let me see, CAD is bearish, or CAD is really going down now. And Swiss franc is bullish. Okay, so most likely CAD Swiss franc breaks the support. Yeah, let me check the 5. Okay, 5 minute is about to break the support. Okay. Looks like it will break. Okay, in the meantime, CAD Swiss franc, pound CAD is breaking the resistance, so I will keep holding the trade. I think today was a good example of how I don't exit when the market was retracing backwards. So this is how I keep holding the trade until I exit. Actually, I don't exit easily and quickly, but prefer to keep holding so that I see more profits along the way. This is I think the only way to make the big profits cover the previous small losses. If you keep exiting with these retracements along the way, you won't be able to make big profits, and you may keep losing along the way, and in the end you may lose. So try to extend the profit as much as possible, and losses will be okay. Small losses will be okay. Of course, you can't have big losses, but small losses can be acceptable. Okay, so I guess I will be ending live in about a few minutes because it's been about 1 hour now. I think the other markets are basically ranging, right? Euro USD today is bullish, but it's ranging overall. Euro AUD is ranging. Yeah, Euro Pound is down in the 4 hour. Euro JPY is ranging. Euro CAD. Oh, Euro CAD is about to break the resistance also. So maybe you can watch the Euro CAD to trade. It may break. I put up or above the resistance. Okay, I will watch this one also today. Euro Swiss franc ranging. USD JPY is retracing. And USD CADs ranging in the Kumo. USD Swiss franc is downtrending. In 4 hour broke the Kumo, but I prefer to wait for the break of the support level 0.9357, and it may take time. So most likely I don't watch this one today. Pound USD is about to break. Yeah, Pound USD about to break the resistance. So once it breaks, I will watch this one. Pound JPY is ranging. Pound CAD broke the resistance and it's going up now. Pound AUD is ranging a little bit. Okay, but 4 hour is bullish. Pound AUD 4 hours bullish, Pound CAD 4 hour is also bullish. Because of the strong pound today, I think we have the opportunities, but not the Pound Swiss franc because it's near the resistance in the 4 hour. And the AUD USD is ranging now. AUD CAD is towards the resistance but still takes some time. And AUD JPY is ranging, AUD Swiss franc is ranging, CAD JPY is going down, but wait for the break of the support level of 104.09. CAD Swiss franc, okay, CAD Swiss franc broke the support. So this one is also nice. We can you can monitor chart until you can look for a setting edge on this one. So looks like we have lots of pairs trending now. In Swiss franc, JPY has been ranging. Yeah. So yeah, I keep holding the Pound CAD because it broke the resistance and keep trading, and I will report you once I fix profit or once I keep holding and run more profits along the way. And this is towards the end of November, so yeah, at the end of November or the beginning of December, I will also do my trade performance review in the month of November. So please look forward to it also. Okay, so alright, I guess that's it for today's live. I hope you have a great day today. And yeah, best wishes on your trades and on your trading journey, because this journey is like a marathon. It's not like one day challenge. It's like a marathon. So we have to keep trying. We have to keep improving your trades, and keep going. I think that's the only way to reach to the goal and success. So yeah, thanks so much everyone. If you liked it, please press like button before you leave, and please subscribe because my YouTube channel is becoming 60K subscribers now, and it may happen within this year. And when it happens, I will do a super long live stream, maybe 12 hours live stream. I will do it. So hopefully it happens within 2022. So if you haven't subscribed, please do, and turn the notification on so that you get notified as I do the next live or upload new videos. So Thank you so much. Until I see you next time, please stay healthy and stay safe and stay gold. Alright, bye for now everyone. またね. Thanks so much.